Look, picking up a dedicated camcorder. These days might feel a bit nostalgic, when every phone in our pockets shoots video. But this Panasonic powerhouse makes a surprisingly strong case for why real glass and a dedicated grip still matter. Holding it, the build has that reassuring density to it, fitting snugly in the palm with physical controls that actually fall right where the fingers expect them to. What stands out right away is how it handles motion. Instead of standard interlaced footage, this thing records in genuine 60 progressive frames per second. Honestly, that changes everything for fast-moving subjects. Sports scenes, running pets, or quick pans across a detailed landscape come through looking remarkably fluid, cutting way down on those distracting afterimages and weird trailing artifacts. The image sensor and that wide 35mm lens pull in a ton of visual information, meaning intricate patterns don't break apart into weird moire noise. Even better, pulling a clean still photo right out of recorded video footage actually yields usable results instead of a blurry mess. There is 32 gigabytes of internal flash memory ready to go out of the box, plus an SD card slot when things get heavy. Now, the battery door can feel a little fiddly depending on how big your fingers are, and low-light performance definitely shows its era compared to massive modern full-frame sensors. But for capturing crisp, ultra-smooth family moments, sports days, or creative projects without chewing up phone storage, this piece of kit holds its ground surprisingly well.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.